Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize your canvas on the ibisPaint X application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, and then you should tap on this second icon down below, and then select the canvas option, which is the last one actually. Now you have many options here. First of all, you can change the size of your canvas. So if you click on it, you are ready to type in all these parameters and all these information, such as the origin. You can also trim it, so feel free to customize your canvas. Then hit that check mark icon. You can also resize it, so you need to add all these data and information concerning your canvas. Then you can rotate it to the left side and to the right side. You can invert it and horizontally and vertically. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.